make some dal. Now dal is pretty much served all day for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Let's take a look at some ingredients here. So I've got some red dal, usually red dal is used, rampa or pandan leaves, curry leaves, salt, onions, garlic and fresh green chili, quite a lot of the chili in fact for this one, cinnamon stick, a little bit of turmeric, some curry powder, a light coloured curry powder, not the roasted one, and some chili powder, and of course we're going to add some coconut milk to that. This is really easy and like I say, eaten all day. So, dal could not be easier. What we've done is we've got our dal here, we've washed out a few times, get it nice and clean. Everything goes in right now, so here we go. In goes our lentils. In goes our chili, onion and garlic. We're going to put in now some curry leaves, some rampa or pandan leaves and some salt to taste. We're now going to put in a little bit of cinnamon. Then we've got some curry powder, chili powder and turmeric. In that goes. Let's give that a little mix. And then the last ingredient is coconut milk. In she goes. And then we're going to cook this for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. And that's it, done. So easy, so delicious. No wonder it's eaten all day in Sri Lanka. Okay, there you go. So that was about 10 minutes, 10-11 minutes. And as you can see, it's thickened nicely. The dal is softened and it's beautiful. Check that for some salt. If you want to add some more salt, that's fine for me. And there we go, a lovely, beautiful dal. Okay, so there you go, our dal is complete. How easy was that? I mean, 10 minutes, it all goes in one time, beautiful. I've just topped it off with a few curry leaves and some dried red chili. There we go, there's some dal.